Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video I'm going to discuss this little Laplace transformation problem, right? So for this I need what is the Laplace transformation of 1 is, what is Laplace transformation of t is, right? And also I need what is I need also actually a property linearity, right? Linearity. Those are the basically three things I talked up to now. So up to this stage, this is a good problem, right? Okay, let's discuss how to do this. This is Laplace transformation of t plus 4, right? So basically I can write this from the integral term and solve this, but I'm going to use these properties to solve this problem. Okay, what is the Laplace transformation of 1? This is 1 over s, this is 1, this is 1 over s square. This is, if the Laplace transformation is k1 f1 plus k2 f2, I can write this as k1 times Laplace transformation of f1 plus k2 times Laplace transformation of f2, right? Then here I can write this as Laplace transformation of t plus Laplace transformation of 4, right? So this is Laplace transformation of t is what? 1 over square, right? Plus I can take 4 outside, then this is Laplace transformation of 1, right? Laplace transformation of 1 is what? 1 over square plus 4 times 1 over s. So the answer is 1 over square plus 4 over s. This is the answer for this question. I think let's discuss another one. Let's say double star, that is Laplace transformation of 2t plus 1. Okay, how to do this Laplace transformation? I suggest to pause the video and do this question, right? Okay, after doing this problem, check out whether you are correct or wrong, right? Okay, how to do this one? This is Laplace transformation of 2t plus 1. Then I can write this t and take 2 out of the Laplace transformation plus Laplace transformation of 1. This is linearity, right? Okay, now I have to now I can plug the properties I proved in the last videos. So Laplace transformation of t is 1 over square plus Laplace transformation of 1 is 1 over s. This is basically 2 over s square plus 1 over s. Okay, I have discussed two problems. Actually these are too easy, but in this level you can't do much harder questions rather than this. Okay, so in the next video we will meet again. Thank you for watching.